It's John Champion here, and this the voice of Jim Beglin.
Hi John, there's been a great buzz here since I sat in my seat. I think this promises something special today.
So, here we go then.
Come on! Yes.
Wants to get this forward. Now he's ready for a shot. And a shot here, puts it away. That really puts them in charge early on.
Well, now that they've got their early reward for such a bright start, they have every chance of taking control of this match. They must push on.
It's incredible how he managed to steer that one in.
I don't think the keeper could get a clear view of that, but it still needed to be soundly struck, and he managed enough power, okay?
They've gone ahead so early in the game.
I think that goal will give them great confidence now, though they can't afford to become complacent. That would be silly at this stage.
It's come through to him.
Well, he didn't have much on there. I thought he had to go it alone.
That'll be a throw-in. It's on for him. He's got in. This could be interesting. Got it.
Well, if they're going to trouble this opposition, then every single player has to contribute more. Their passing needs a serious lift.
Plays this forward. Chance, possibility for a shot. He's making a good run here. Could be a chance now.
If the support had come quicker, that wouldn't have broken down.
Can he now find a finish? Clear. It's on for him. Cuts it out. Just over 15 minutes remaining in the first half. Lifts it over the top. Pass intercepted. Deliberate foul. Loses out in a position of some promise. Slides it through. A chance!
Well, the passing is not quite the problem, they just need better movement if they're going to drag this defence out of position.
And he'll drive it here. Good strike, but straight at the keeper.
Yeah, I'm sure he was trying to place it in the corner of the net, but he's not likely to score by firing straight at the keeper. Yeah, it's all very easy on the eye, but I think they're just missing something a little more incisive now to complement some very good build-up play.
There's a shooting opportunity here. Flag was up, just caught offside there. Good call by the assistant referee. A really impressive run through. He's latched onto it. Some slick passing on display. What can they make of it? Got the man there, surely. Yep, free kick given. A ball in. He stayed up for this pass. There's a possibility here for a shot. They've scored. Now back in business.
Well, we're all back to square one, but I hope this game opens up from here. It looks as if it could happen.
A defensive howler punished emphatically. And there is half-time.
Yeah, we may have had a couple of goals, but there haven't really been many chances. I can see both managers looking to liven it up in the second half.
The sides locked level at 1 goal each. So the second half kicks off. Got it. That wasn't the best of passes, really. The pass cut out. He hits it.
Oh, that was such a good chance.
Keeper got his hand to it.
Well, setting the chance up was cleverly done, but he just needed to be a bit more clinical.
He can take the shot on here. Pushed away. Keeper claims it.
Well, it just goes to show you how effective a counter-attack can be, because when you move the ball at pace like that, it only takes seconds to create a threat.
He's got in. No, it was cut out. Driven in. Plays this forward. He's looking to play it into the channel. Good width. Shooting chance! Here it is! Wants to get this forward. Intercepted. Wants to get this forward. He's onside.
If the support had come quicker, that wouldn't have broken down.
He's waiting here. Offside. And they've missed the opportunity to go in front. Almost 75 minutes on the watch now. It's come through to him nicely.
Look, goals change games, and despite what we've seen so far, if this goes in, it can put a completely different slant on proceedings.
Decent strike. Plays this forward. He's got in. Going forward, and he may need to enlist support here. Well, there was a chance to get the ball into the area, but maybe it's gone now. It just veered off to the right.
Well, the defender was stuck to him like glue, but he got his effort away. Wasn't quite enough, though.
A fine display of slick passing. It's opened up nicely for him. It's on for him. The ball has crossed the line and it's a throw. Only 5 minutes remain and there's nothing to separate these two teams. Will we see a winner here? Really good try, but no goal.
Well, when he struck that, he must have thought it was going in. Such are the margins of success and failure in this game. That was so close.
This is lovely passing to watch. Oh, he's maybe kept the ball a bit too long there. He plays it through. He's found space. He decides to shoot. And that is off target.
Well, maybe they're settling for what they have because they're not going to score from there.
It's through. Got it. No way through there. And that brings to an end 90 minutes of football. Nothing could separate these sides. The players, credit to them, put in plenty of effort, but in the end, no one could